Hi everyone, my name is Natasha and today I'm going to show you how to make buckwheat pancakes. These pancakes are a healthier and lighter alternative for regular pancakes. They are vegan, they are gluten-free and they are sugar-free as well. This is a must-try for your breakfast in the morning. So let's get started. For our buckwheat pancakes, we are going to need 2 ripe bananas. We are going to need 100 grams of buckwheat flour. We are going to need or plant-based milk. Here I have coconut water, so it's 120 grams of coconut water, but you can replace it with any plant-based milk. I have here 3 grams of bicarbonate of soda, and I have about 10 grams of cider vinegar. Before starting, we are going to need to mash our bananas, and after we are going to mix all the ingredients. Okay, so our bananas are done. Even though you have like bigger chunks inside, no worries, they are going to give an extra flavor to our pancakes as well. Okay, so in this mixture I'm going to add my soda with cider vinegar. So I'm just adding to my soda the vinegar. Okay, and I'm going to transfer all this mixture to my bananas. I'm going to mix it well together. I'm going to add the coconut water and give it a mix as well. And now to my buckwheat flour I'm going to add this mixture. I'm going to mix it to incorporate everything well together, and I'm going to leave it to sit for about 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, the bicarbonate of soda started to bubble right here. So we have these bubbles and our mixture is ready for the pancakes. I'm going to put my pan for like about slow to medium heat, and I'm going to fry in the pan. So our pan is ready. I'm using a non-stick pan. I'm not using any oil or anything. If you don't have a non-stick pan, you can use some coconut oil or just like regular oil, just a bit. I'm putting just 1 spoon of my mixture in the pan on low to medium heat, and you are going to see in about 30 seconds how that bicarbonate of soda is forming all those bubbles. Try and keep them all round shape, be more pretty when we are plating them. So look at this one, it started to bubble a bit already. So all of them, they are going to start bubbling. Don't put too many in the pan because it has to be very comfortable to turn them around. So it's about 2 minutes per side, and adjust your heat as well because you don't want to burn them and you want to cook them through as well. So in the moment when we have the edges already like forming and it's not liquid anymore, we are going to turn it around. So look at this color, look at the bubbles as well that we have here. Yeah, we don't want to burn them because they will have a very strong flavor of burnt, but just like this, gently flip them around. And on the other side, about 2 minutes as well, not more. So after 2 minutes, look on this side as well, they are perfectly cooked. I'm going to transfer them on a plate, and I'm going to cook all my pancakes. This was my recipe of buckwheat pancakes. They are super pretty. I used some blueberries to decorate and some agave syrup, so it's entirely up to you. You can put raspberries. If you have any questions or any suggestions, you can leave them in the comments below. I'd love to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe as well because I'm posting every Tuesday and every Friday. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.